In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and join public Discord servers from your mobile. So the first thing we're going to do is just head out of the Discord application and you need to open up an internet browser. Now from your internet browser, you're just going to head over to the website discord.com/login and hit enter. Then from this page, just log in with your Discord username and password. And once you're on the Discord website, you need to click on the compass icon in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. Now, because this website is made for desktop versions and not mobile, you may find some compatibility issues with not being able to see the full screen. So you can see at the moment that I can't really see this right-hand menu. So what you'll need to do is click on this icon in the bottom left-hand side of the screen and then select the three horizontal dots and click Request Mobile Website. Now, as you can see, this will take us to the Find Your Community on Discord server page. And from here, you can just simply scroll down and select the server that you want to join. You also have all these categories at the top of the screen, so this can help you narrow down which Discord server that you want to join. So let's say, for example, I wanted to join this Valorant server. We can just click on it like so. Select the server that you want to join, just press the join button. And just like that, we've now joined the server. So if I head back over to the Discord app on my phone, you can see now in the left hand side we have this new server that we've just joined, this Valorant Mobile, and it's really as simple as that, guys. That's how you join public Discord servers from your mobile. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.